Exercise 8.1, question number 4. This question was asked in the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, 2013 for 3 marks. If PA and PB are tangent segments drawn from an external point P to a circle whose center is O, prove that OP bisects AB and hence OP also is perpendicular to AB. So here in the figure we have PA and PB are two tangent segments from an exterior point P to a circle whose center is O. Let us write the given. PA and PB are tangent segments from an external point P to a circle with center O. To prove, here we have two things to prove. First, OP bisect AB, that means AM equal to BM. I'll just write AM equal to BM. That is, OP bisect AB. Secondly, the line OP is perpendicular to AB. OP is perpendicular to AB. Now let us prove. First we have to prove that OP bisect AB. That means AM equal to BM. That will happen if these two triangles are congruent. That is, triangle OAM and OBM are congruent. But we have just OA and OB equal with OM equal. We need three conditions, but we have two conditions only. Let us try to prove that these two angles here are equal to each other by taking the triangle OAP and OBP to prove them congruent. So firstly, in the triangles OAP and OBP, OA equal to OB, the reason being radii of the same circle, and PA will be equal to PB because they are tangents to the circle from the same point P. And then OP equal to OP, common side, OP equal to OP, which is common. Therefore, by its side congruency, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. That means these two angles now are equal parts of two congruent triangles. That means corresponding parts should be equal. Angle AOP should be equal to angle BOP. Let us call it equation 1. Now let us compare the triangle OAM and OBM. Now in the triangles OAM and OBM, first OA equal to OB, same thing again, radii of the same circle, and what we have just got there in equation 1, angle AOM equal to angle BOM, let's say from equation 1, and then OM equal to OM, which is common side. Therefore, by it will be side angle side congruency, SAS congruency triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OBM. Now if these two triangles are congruent, AM will be equal to BM. AM will be equal to BM, that is OP bisects AB. That is the first part of the proof. And since triangle OAM and OBM are congruent, these two angles will also be equal. We can say also angle OMA will be equal to angle OMB. But if we look at this, AMB is a straight line, so these two angles together, the sum will be 180 degree. Angle OMA plus angle OMB will be 180 degree. We can call them linear pair. Now since these two angles are already equal, we can just write twice of angle OMA, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle OMA is equal to 180 divided by 2, which makes angle OMA equal to 90 degree. And also if OMA equal to 90, angle OMB will also be 90 degree. Now we just proved that these two angles are 90 degree. That means OP is perpendicular to AB. Therefore OP is perpendicular to AB. Hence we have proved that OP bisects AB and then OP perpendicular to AB.